Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome to my wildlife channel. This video is about long-eared owls. In the start of it, you'll see your juvenile long-eared owl, and at the end of the video, what I'm going to do is I'll put pictures of the juvenile long-eared owl and also the adult long-eared owl. If you're still watching this video, thank you very much. And if you like it or dislike it, could you please like and subscribe? As the more subscribers I get and the more likes I get, the more people would hope to see my videos. Thank you.